Text formatting tools. You have read about many formatting commands in your previous class. Some of them are: font is the look of the alphabet on the screen. Bold means darker text. Italics means slanted text. Underline means a line under text. Alignment is the position of the text or the way the text is set with respect to the margins in a document is called alignment. Text highlight color places a colored rectangle over the text. Change case changes the text to uppercase, lowercase, etc. Let us learn some advanced formatting commands now. Format Painter. Format Painter command is used to apply the same formatting, such as font color, style or size to another text within the same document. To use Format Painter, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on Format Painter command in the clipboard group. The pointer changes into a brush shape. Step 4. Click the brush pointer over the text on which you want to apply formatting. The formatting will be copied. Superscript and subscript. If you create a document that contains formulas and equations, then use superscript and subscript command. Superscript command places the selected text slightly above the baseline. To change text into superscript, step 1. Select text or number which you want to change. Step 2. Click Home tab. Step 3. Click on the superscript command in the font group. The selected text will be changed into a superscript. Subscript command places the text slightly below the baseline. To change text into subscript, step 1. Select the text or number. Step 2. Click Home tab. Step 3. Click on Subscript command in the font group. The selected text will be changed into a subscript. Shadow effect. Shadow effect makes text more attractive and looks like 3D text. To apply shadow effect, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on Text Effect command in the font group. Step 4. A drop-down menu appears. Select option Shadow. Step 5. Click on any shadow effect which you want to apply in your text. Border. You can decorate your document and make it attractive by applying a border to a block of text or to the whole page. To apply a border to the selected text, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Borders option in the paragraph group. Step 4. A drop-down menu appears. Select option Border and Shading. Step 5. Click on the Borders tab in the Borders and Shading dialog box. Choose a border style and color. Step 6. Click on OK button. Artistic border. To make the page attractive, you can apply an artistic border to a page. To apply an artistic border, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Page Border tab in the Borders and Shading dialog box. Step 2. Click on the drop-down arrow in the Art option. Step 3. Choose the border style. Step 4. Click on OK button. You can also change the color of border by click on the drop-down arrow in the Color option. Shading. To make the selected text visually attractive, you can apply shading to it. To apply shading, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Shading tab in the Borders and Shading dialog box. Step 2. Click on the drop-down arrow in the Fill option. Step 3. Choose any color from the color palette. Step 4. Click on OK button. Text editing tools. To make changes in existing document is called editing. You have read about many text editing commands in your previous class. Some of them are: to make changes in the existing text, we need to select it. To select text, we use different key combinations or drag the mouse over the text. You can easily remove the text by selecting it and pressing either backspace or delete key. Cutting the text will make the text disappear from its original location and will appear at another location where it is pasted. This is done using Ctrl+X and Ctrl+V keys. Copying the text means the text will remain at its original location as well as the place where it is pasted. This is done using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V keys. Undo is used to cancel the command and redo is used to reverse the action of undo command. Undo is done using Ctrl+Z and redo is done using Ctrl+Y keys. Spelling and grammar check feature in MS Word marks spelling mistakes by red wavy line and grammatical mistakes by green wavy line. Find and replace. If you want to find whether a particular word or phrase appears in a document or not, you do not need to read the entire document. Word 2016 provides the Find feature to locate a word or phrase in the document. To find a word or phrase, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on the Find command in the editing group. This will open navigation panel on the left side of the word window. Step 3. Type the word or phrase in the text box. Step 4. Click on the search icon on the right side of the text box or press Enter key. Step 5. The lower part of the navigation panel will display a list of occurrences of the required text or phrase. Step 6. Press Enter key to move to the required occurrence of the text. Replace. Word 2016 also allows you to substitute all or only the selected occurrences of a word with another word. This is called Replace feature of Word. To substitute a word or phrase with another word or phrase, Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on the Replace command in the editing group. This will open Find and Replace dialog box. Step 3. Type the existing word or phrase that is to be changed in the Find What text box. Step 4. Type the new word or phrase in the Replace With text box. Step 5. Click on Find Next and Replace buttons for selective replacement of the text, or click on Replace All button to replace all occurrences of the existing text with the new text. Page formatting tools. To make changes in page layout is called page formatting. It is defined in the page setup group. Let's read about the various page formatting commands. Header and footer. Header is the text that appears at the top of each page of the document. Footer is the text-like page number that appears at the bottom of each page of the document. The header and footer are used to save time and effort of the operator to enter same text on each page. It also reduces chances of errors like missing to enter details on a page. Inserting a header and a footer into a Word 2016 document is very easy and it requires only a few steps which are given below. Step 1. Open your document in Word 2016. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab. Step 3. Here you will find the header and footer options. Click on the required command to open list of options. Step 4. You can choose from various available header/footer templates or choose blank option to enter text of your choice. This will open the respective header or footer section of the page. You can type the text you want to appear on each page. In footer options, Word 2016 also provides an option to automatically enter page number on each page. Column and column break. By default, Word document is written into a single column. You can insert more than one column in the document. To insert column, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on Layout tab. Step 3. click on Columns command in Page Setup group. Step 4. A drop-down menu appears. Select the number of columns. The selected text is divided into the number of columns selected by you. You can also insert column in the document by clicking on the More Columns option. Column break. After inserting columns, text break into the number of column. Now you want to shift text from one column to another as per need. To do this thing, you need to insert a column break. To insert a column break, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Layout tab. Step 2. Place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a column break. Step 3. Click on Break command in the Page Setup group. Step 4. A drop-down menu appears. Click on Column option. The column break gets inserted into the document. Page break. When you are writing something in Word and you want to shift text on the next page. To do this, you need to insert page break. To insert page break, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Layout tab. Step 2. Place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a page break. Step 3. Click on Break command in the Page Setup group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 4. Click on Page option. The page break gets inserted into the document. Line break. You know that Enter key takes the cursor to the new line by adding a new paragraph. Line break creates new line but does not add a paragraph. To add a line break in Word, place the cursor where you want to break and press Shift plus Enter key. Tabs. Tabs move the cursor 1/2 inch by default. They work when you press the Tab key on your keyboard. The position where the cursor moves on pressing the Tab key is called Tab Stop. If you place the cursor at the beginning of a paragraph and press Tab key, the first line of the paragraph gets indented by 1/2 inch. Indentation. Indentation is the distance of the text from either the left or the right margin. It is used to move the paragraph or a single line of the paragraph. To indent the text, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Layout tab. Step 2. Select the text. Step 3. Click on Indent Increase button in the paragraph group. The selected text will shift to the right side. You can also decrease the indent by clicking on the Decrease Indent button. Page margin. Page margin is the white space all around the printed area of the paper. This space is left so that when the papers are arranged as a book, the printed text does not get hidden inside the binding. To set page margins, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Page Layout tab. Step 2. Click on Margins command in the Page Setup group. Step 3. Select a style of margins from the options in the drop-down menu. Step 4. Select Custom Margins to define your choice of page margins. This will open Page Setup dialog box. Step 5. Set the top, bottom, left and right margins. Step 6. Click on OK button.